I'm Dr. Jeremy.
Dr. David here from the Sprouting Health Hunter Valley practice. So today we'd like to talk to you about some common cause of why we have joint pain, aches and pains, and muscle pain around our body. And one of the most important one is muscle imbalances. So what we see is muscle balance is really important.
For all sorts of things, even from just like walking to playing sport to actually being comfortable.
Thanks, Dr. Jeremy.
Well, if we've got an example that we can use where muscle balance really has an effect, would be a simple one.
Absolutely.
It's like an arm movement even perhaps.
So when we contract our bicep muscles, this is an agonist and there is an antagonist muscle. So these muscles actually power up and to function to make one movement nice and smooth. So when our bicep contracts, our tricep will naturally relaxes.
Absolutely.
And when the opposite does the same, tricep contracts, the bicep relaxes. Can you imagine if they don't work together?
That's right. And so even just a walking to walk, there's hundreds and thousands of little nerve impulses and muscles that are turning on and off to move your spine in an appropriate way. And if we think about a shoulder, for example, a shoulder sits in a capsule. If we turn it around this way, a shoulder should glide nicely through the capsule. If we're tighter on one side than the other, the shoulder will start to grind on one side, and this is where we can get strains, sprains, we can get joints wearing out, we can get, you've all heard of bursitis, and the bursitis is just a sac in between the bone and the muscle, and if it rubs, that's where a bursitis puffs up, or a bursa puffs up, called bursitis. There's lots of things that will go wrong if our muscular system's imbalanced, and this can range from headaches because tension in your neck, to back pain, to neck pain, to reduction in ability to play sport properly, for example, even in babies to walk and crawl appropriately. And it gets even more, we know that then feedback back to the brain from your body actually helps develop nervous systems. So now we're talking things like behaviour, cognition improvements, things like that. There's lots of studies on that I won't go into now. But if you would like to see what we're doing here, there's a couple of tests that we do to work out if people have muscular imbalance, Dr. David.
When new clients comes in, we always do a thorough examination. We test almost 80 muscles around our body, 40 on one side, 40 on the other, and see whether if they're nice and balanced.
That's right, and we look at things like posture. So if your head's tilted on one side, your body's tilted on one side, it tells us, well, there could be a scoliosis as well, but that also tells us there's a muscular imbalance in that body. And with muscular imbalance comes all those things we spoke about. And we do certain therapies, lots of different things that we do in here, and then we go back and of course then we test if that muscle's now contracting properly. And there's an easy way to test that, and that's what we do. We do lots of pre and post test measures, especially when you're new, but also on a daily basis when you come in just for your regular tune-up or adjustment, we do that type.
This is what I found our clients is the most excited about, is that they found out that they feel better, and they are also actually tests that prove that they're better.
That's right. We can show you straight away how things change after we do the therapies on you.
Absolutely.
So if you've got any other questions, make sure you book an appointment, come and see one of our chiropractic kinesiologists, and we look forward to helping you have your healthiest and best life possible, because life's too short not to feel happy and healthy.